Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel at sa mga bago po, welcome! At sana po mapanood ninyo ang video ito at mag-subscribe kayo. Strawberries! Ayan na! So, hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, papakita ko po sa inyo ang update ng ating mga flowering plants sa ating garden at yung update din ng ating strawberry at saka ng ating mga herbs. And later on, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung aming family time sa aming nabiling inflatable pool. So ayan po yung ating mga flowering plants and they're thriving really well. So nakikita nyo po dyan, may ibang hindi pa nagpa-flower but this was like taken last week and today may mga flowers na sila. So i-insert ko lang at the end of this video, lalo na itong lilies, itong mga lilies, they're really pretty. At the end of this video, papakita ko po sa inyo na nag-bloom na sila, yung mga bulaklak na yan. So, ayan pa rin yung ating ibang mga bulaklak. Nakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan ng mga bulaklak na yan, but they're really pretty. And look at them, really thriving. They're beautiful and colorful. And, yan, dun sa dulo, that's Jade. Dun sa dulo yung ating mga herbs. So, diba, ang gaganda nila. So, ayan po. So, yung mga bulaklak na yan na nakita ninyo nakahang, bali bulaklak yan ng kapitbahay namin. We actually visited our neighbor next door and had a good time there. We just let Jade play with their kids as well. They have 3 kids, so Jade enjoyed it. And we enjoyed it as well knowing them. So, here are our lilies. Nag-blossom na yung mga nila. Nag-bloom na yung mga flowers na yan. And this is our simple garden. I hope you'll keep on watching para makita nyo po na nagbunga ng ating mga strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yan yung aking spearmint. Parsley, chives, strawberries. Ayan na. So, ito yung update ng aking strawberry. 1 week mula nang tinanim sila. So, may mga flowers na. And I'm super excited na makakita ng prutas dito. This is really exciting. I think I have a new fruit here. I think that's already a fruit. Oh, wow. I think fruit na yan. Look. Whoa. That will be nice. I'm looking forward to see them. Namatay yung aking strawberry kalami sa strawberry ba? It's a very hot and pleasant day today. So we're having barbecue.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was ready.
chicken teriyaki, lamb chops, and burgers.
I'll have the two halves.
Okay.
They split when I was trying to separate them.
It's okay, like I can share that with Jade.
Yeah,
I'll just have it. Salad.
Yeah, whatever.
What's the temperature like today?
Oh,
20 plus?
20 plus, yeah. I would say we're sitting at probably 20 now, but
Yeah.
sitting around there, easily would have been 30.
30, I guess you're
30 in the shade, you know how they...
Yeah. So Jade and Mommy are going for a walk. Maglalakad lang kami kasi akala namin uulan today. So yung husband ko nasa decking nagbabasa ng libro. So Jade and Mommy are going to walk in the neighborhood. We're not going to the park, Jade, just to the neighborhood. Yeah. Oh, para si Dora the Explorer si Jade, oh. Are you Dora the Explorer? Messy pa ng face. Kumain ng snacks kasi kanina. So, just a little update on our veggie garden, herb garden here. They're thriving well. The mint, the parsley, the chives. And look at my strawberries. It's 1 week since we planted these. So, may fruits na siya. Ayan, isa. And then another one there. Ito. Not sure, siguro isusupport ko siya para di siya para mabuhay sila. That's my rosemary and my parsley. There you go. Okay. Now you need to walk. Sanga ko ang dalagingging nagdala og bag. Okay. Say bye-bye, house. Uy, it's starting to rain. Say bye-bye, house. Oh, there's the Baba. No. It's raining already, Jade. Oh, it's sprinkling. Not raining yet. Dora the Explorer.
Wow!
Yes. Wow. Sprinkling. Don't cross the street. No, don't cross. Stay on the pavement. Okay. She's silly. She wants to cross the street. Okay. Quite safe. Alright, where are we going? Lalakad si Aling Maliit. Sprinkling love. Oy, na. Oy, right when mag-rain naman siya. Okay, well, let's go back na kay sprinkles na. Lalakad si Aling Maliit. Yeah. Okay. Yan si Jade, guys. Nasa neighborhood lang kami. Yan. It's sprinkling, drizzling, Jade. We need to go. Just timing, guys. It's sprinkling. Drizzling, Jade.
Pa!
Lalakad sana kami. Di na lang. Uwi na lang kami kasi it's drizzling. Taligsik. Kung kailan kami. Oh dear.
Papa!
Yeah, Papa. Don't you say Papa? It's sprinkling.
Wow!
Gotta Karga ko si Jay, tapos eto, buhay nanay. What is she? Husband ko. Welcome to Scotland. Well, you never know whether it's gonna rain.
Well, until that happened.
You know, you just never know when it will rain. It was really nice earlier.
Yeah, I know.
I was like,
Actually.
maybe I'll take Jade for a walk, and then all of a sudden it rained. Getting heavier now.
Yeah. Thinking that.
See Jade just in time. She didn't wanna go home. She just wanted to be. Oh, you love being in the rain. So the yellow thing on the decking is our inflatable pool. But it's not a nice weather this week. It's supposed to be a rainy week. So,
Can't get used to it.
Jade, you look like Dora the Explorer.
Yeah.
That bag must be heavy because it's got her nappies and snacks. Hey, sweetheart. Sweetheart, come here.
Middle of the valley.
She likes to be in the rain. Jade, it's not like the Philippines, Jade. You still... No, it's not actually. It's a warm day. Yeah.
I wouldn't do it in the winter. Ice cold rain, raining through your hands. Wind blowing on you. Just to make it worse.
Jade!
Subhuman.
Gusto ni Jade ng ulan, oh. And she doesn't want to take off the bag. So she's still wearing the bag because she doesn't want to take it off. Jade, you are the silliest girl there. Silly. Guys, look at our lilies. Tingnan niyo yung lilies namin, guys. Ang ganda na niya. Actually, para akong tanga. Diba, video ako ng video ng mga bulaklak dito sa garden, and I don't even know na lilies pala yan. Ngayon na mulaklak sila, sabi ng asawa ko, video ka ng video, you didn't even know that's, that those are lilies. But look at them, my goodness. Nag-bloom na sila. Siguro in a matter of 3 days. In a matter of 3 days, yung lahat ng mga bulbs dyan, mag-open na yan. And they're gonna be very pretty. Look at them. Hello, you guys. Ito ng update sa ating strawberry. Yan, parang ito. Sira. Kasi malapit lang kasi siya sa lupa. Kaya nagkaganyan. So, lalagyan ko lang sila ng net. Para hindi kainin ng mga birds. So, ayan na. Isang bunga. Then another bunga. So, sana marami pang bunga. So, this is our week, guys. Nagluto lang ako ng chicken curry. Thank you for watching. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa video ito. At Maraming salamat po sa aming mga subscribers na patuloy na nanonood sa amin. Take care you guys. Maraming salamat again. Don't forget to like this video po. Until our next one, goodbye!